Very good morning, children. Welcome back to the EVS class again, and I hope everybody are going good, right? So today in this tutorial we are going to solve the question and answers of the ongoing lesson. That means chapter number 11, staying safe, and this is the lesson we have just finished off, okay? And I hope you are done with the lesson. You have understood it very well. Since I didn't get any call from anybody, that means you have understood it properly. Okay? So without wasting much time, we will just do a short recap. আমরা কি পড়েছি চ্যাপ্টারটা জাস্ট একটু রিভাইজ করে নেব. So in this chapter, what did we learn? We learned about being safe. How we can be safe. আমরা কিভাবে নিজেকে সাবধানে রাখবো. Okay? Like safety, which you know that it means not getting hurt or staying away from danger. Okay? নিজেকে আঘাত না করা, নিজেকে কোনোভাবে বিপদে না ফেলা, আর বিপদ থেকে অনেক দূরে রাখা, তাই তো? So these are called safety, and there were some safety rules which you should follow at your home, some safety rules which you should follow in the school, as well as when you are outside. That means when you are walking down in the road, in the busy road. Okay? You remember there were some things, some objects that you should not touch, or some sharp objects actually which you should not touch when you are at home. Okay? So there were some sharp objects which you should not touch with your hands, and also you should be under your parents' supervision when you are using them. Okay? And there were some safety rules which you should follow at the school, like not pushing each other or not running down the stairs, and also when you are walking down on the streets or on the busy road, you should always take the help of your parents, right? Like you should walk along the zebra crossing when you are crossing the road from here to there, and also follow the traffic rules, right? And along with this, there was another thing that we have learned. We should not go with the strangers. The strangers are the people whom we do not know, or whom we have never met. Okay? So these were the certain things that we should follow, the rules, the safety rules when we are at school, at home, and at the road. Okay? And there was another important thing that you have also learned, that was the good touch and bad touch. So the touch which you do not feel comfortable, যেটা তোমাদের ভালো লাগে না, that touch was called the good touch, and just the opposite of this, that means a touch which you do not like from any stranger or anybody, that is called the bad touch. So whenever you feel any touch which is not good for you, or it is a simply bad touch, please inform your elders, your parents. Okay? So now we are going to solve the question and answers which is given at the end of this lesson. So before writing this question and answers, what you will do, take out your copy, your EVS copy, your your pencil and eraser, and get ready. You will pause the video several times and write down this question and answers. When you are done with this, you will start learning this. Okay? So every time you get a solved question and answers, your work is to start writing, and once you are done with that, you will learn it. Okay? So let us start with the question answers. So students, I have written the questions. The two questions that you can see on the board is that the first question, what do you mean by safety? Safety means not getting hurt or being in danger. Safety means নিরাপদে থাকা. Okay? So safety means not getting hurt. Hurt means যখন তোমাদের কোথাও আঘাত পাচ্ছ বা ব্যথা লাগছে শরীরে, or being in danger বা বিপদে আটকে যাওয়া. Okay? The next question is, write any two safety rules to follow at school. Okay? So the two safety rules which you should follow are, here I have written two safety rules. এই দুটো points ছাড়া, if you like to write the other rules, you may also write. Both the answers are correct. Okay? You may write any one of the rules which is given in your book. Okay? So I have written this. You may wish you can write this one or the other rules. Alright? So see this. The first one, we should not run down the stairs. Stairs means shiri. We should not push each other. যেটা কিনা তোমরা ভীষণ করো, ওকে? So you should follow these rules at your school. So pause the video here and take down all the question and answers. After that we will move to the next one, okay? So children, we are at the last question of this chapter. The question is the question number 3. How can we be safe on the road? Give any 2 safety rules or give any 2 rules. So what are those safety rules on the road? We should cross the road safely. That means we should cross the road from here to there very safely, or we can take the zebra crossing. We should obey and follow traffic rules. So the traffic lights, the meaning of the traffic lights, that is the green, red and yellow, you know that. So you should follow the traffic rules and also obey it, okay? So these are the 2 rules. So again I would say that these are any 2 rules, okay? So for this question I would like to say that I have taken down 2 rules from your book for the safety rules on the road. You may, if you wish, you may take the other 2 rules or any other rules which is given in the book, okay? So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to write only these 2, okay? So prepare this and take down all the question answers. Start learning it, okay? Whether I say or not, whenever you get the solved question and answers, please, once you are done with this question and answers, start learning it, okay? You will learn and practice writing in the copy or the notebook which you use at your home, okay? And after that you will also read the lesson from the beginning till end, okay? And I will take any of the day the reading session, as you know, as I used to take previously. So that was all for this class. Go through the lesson. Again, I would say if you face any difficulty, give me a call or you can ping me in the WhatsApp. Write down these answers and start learning it, and also prepare the lesson for the reading session in the coming days, okay? So we will end this video session here. We will meet very soon in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.